It's been a very difficult year on the South Coast, but there were smiles on the faces of the students at St Mary's Star of the Sea in Milton as they hosted a colour run raising funds for their school community. Now, Head of the Parents and Friends Committee, Jodie Lee, joins us now. Jodie, tell us a little bit about this event.
Yeah, sure. Well, we organised this event just to bring some colour to the kids' life this year. Our school started not in the best ways of 2020, with fire impacting the school directly, quite a lot of anxiety amongst the school kids, and then from that we went straight into a lockdown pretty much with COVID, and we're just coming out the tail end of that now. So this event was initially to just bring a lot of fun to the kids, and the second purpose was to raise money because our school was directly impacted by fire. We lost a lot of our surrounding trees, our playground, so yeah, the whole idea of that was just to have a whole lot of fun.
And the money today that you raised, what will that go towards?
Yeah, sure. Well, we did lose all of our trees, so our whole fence line here was completely filled with trees. All of our gardens, we were impacted directly. It was only from the volunteers that turned up on the day from the estate down below and some local fireys that came and saved and put the fires out. Our whole oval here was completely burnt down. We're raising money to replace those trees, so to purchase and have all of those replanted, just to bring some green back to the school.
Thank you, Jodie. A wonderful effort today from the students, staff and parents here in Milton.
Enjoyed this Win News item? Like, tag or share with friends.